For centuries, mankind has climbed great mountains in search of truth, meaning and breathtaking views. But here in Benidorm, the journey leads not to entitlement, but to a 300-kilo monument born from the most controversial of causes, the banning of bikinis. Yes, in 1961, as holidaymakers dared to bear a little bit too much under the Spanish sun, a group of determined locals carried this colossal cross up the hill, not in protest of sin, but perhaps in protest of too much sun lotion. And so today we make our own pilgrimage to stand where they stood, gaze upon the city below, and try not to think about the fact that the nearest bar is 30-minute walk away. Hello you lovely people, and welcome back to a new video. As you can probably guess from the sun and the noise, we're not in Kansas now, Dorothy, or is it Toto, whatever, but yeah, I'm out for a little walk, a little jaunt. Join me for this adventure. As you guessed, probably even by the thumbnail, I'm not in England, I am abroad, I'm in Benidorm. Wife's took the boys to the beach. I thought I'd get out for a little walk. See, the place is surrounded by hills and mountains. So I thought, yeah, let's take on one of these hills. So looking about, and I managed to find one with like a big cross on, stoking my interest. So I've done a bit of research. Built in 1961, then had to be rebuilt in 1975 when it was damaged in a storm. But yeah, it was built basically, it was carried up there by some locals because they're seeing Benidorm as a bit of a sin, and that was to redeem the place really. So I'm going to have a walk up there. Like I say, it used to be a religious place. Now it's more of a historic religious. People up there for the views and the story behind it. So got me water, got another half a litre in my pocket. It is 32 degrees today, and I am led to believe it's a road all the way up. You can't get a taxi up there. There's no way I'm getting a taxi up there. So I took the wrong road, kept doing a big circle and ended up back at the hotel. I came roundabout, I only seen one road, so I took that. It turned out that was the wrong road. Checked the map when I see my hotel and noticed I took the wrong turn. Hey guys, the views are opening up beautifully here. See out to the sea, and you just see the cross up the top. Some absolutely beautiful villas and stuff around. There's a road there that loops round, but I don't think that's my road. But I'll bring you back when we're a bit closer. Underfoot, it's perfect, it's just road. But you don't really get much respite from the sun. There ain't much shade really. We are pretty close. I believe this is 400 metres, 200 metres sea level. Whew. Bring you back when we get super close to it now. It's just behind me there. come off the road and now we're on a path. Got to keep your wits about you, because like you say, I mean, in this heat you could find steaks basking on this path. I don't know if it's too hot for them, but you never know. The views, and guys, down to Benidorm, down to the beach, everyone's enjoying. And like you say, the place is surrounded by big massive mountains. And like, let's take on anything big, just this one. Just ahead we've got steps. Not the band, the objects. I'm guessing these take us to the top. Done and boshed. Look at them views, guys. While we wait, we rehydrate. Oh yes. Definitely wouldn't recommend this midday. This is definitely an early morning, late afternoon job. Like you say, the breeze is lovely, but the sun's baking. And I've already got a really bad sunburned back. Come down. So yeah, I was expecting to be a bit more busy than it is. Sat in the shade of the cross, just overlooking Benidorm. Beautiful, absolute beautiful views from up here. I'm not sure how high this is. I'll try and put it in the bottom. Not sure how high the original cross was. I think that one was originally built out of railway sleepers, I think. But that was damaged in a storm, like I say, in 1975. So then this more permanent, substantial cross was built. Just down the sea, you can see the inflatables. I think the youngest was meant to be going on there today. Heading back down now. Second bottle of water. Make sure I stay hydrated. I get to the bottom, find a bar, a nice pint of Coke or lemon Fanta. Again, thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you on my next adventure.